Want to teach your dog to sit on command, fast and easy? In just the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to get perfect sits, every single time. Hey everyone, I'm Jessie. I've spent years learning how dogs think, and I'm here to help you understand yours. Teaching your dog to sit is one of the easiest, but also one of the most important commands you can teach. Think of it as the building block for all other training, a key to good behavior, and even a crucial safety tool. Let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need the right currency for your dog's attention. Treats. The best ones are small, soft, and a little bit stinky.
Dogs have incredible noses, so a strong, delicious smell is like a magnet for their focus.
Break larger treats into pea-sized pieces. This way, you can do lots of repetitions without filling them up too quickly. You want them to stay hungry and motivated to learn. Alright, step 2 is getting your dog's complete and undivided attention. Find a quiet space with minimal distractions.
No TVs, no other people walking around.
Just you and your pup. Call their name in a happy, excited tone. Once their eyes are on you, show them you have one of those tasty treats. Hold it right up to their nose so they can get a good sniff. Now you're the most interesting thing in the room. Now for the magic part, the lure. With the treat still near your dog's nose, slowly start to move it upwards, and slightly back, over the top of their head. As their nose follows the treat up, their back end will naturally go down. It's simple doggy physics. The very instant their rear touches the floor, enthusiastically say, yes, or good, and immediately give them the treat and lots of praise. Timing is everything here. You want to mark the exact moment they perform the sit. Now it's time to practice. Now, practice. Repeat this luring motion 5 or 6 times in a row. Remember, we're building a new habit. But it's super important to keep your training sessions short and sweet, maybe just a minute or 2 at a time. This keeps your dog excited and engaged, not bored or frustrated. Always end on a positive note, and remember to reward them with that treat and praise the second they sit. Okay, once your dog is consistently sitting with the lure, it's time to add the verbal cue. Just before you start to move the treat, say the word sit in a clear, calm voice. Then, perform the lure motion as you did before. After a few sessions, your dog will start to associate the word sit with the action of sitting. Gradually, you can begin to phase out the hand motion, asking for a sit with just the word. They might not get it right away, and that's okay. If they hesitate, just use the lure again to help them out. And that's it. With a little patience, consistency, and a pocket full of tasty treats, your dog will master the sit command in no time. It's a fantastic way to build a stronger bond with your best friend. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. For more easy and effective dog training tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy training.